Hi, my name's Ben with Heirloom Roses. I'm standing here in front of my home where we shot several of our Eden climbing rose videos. And in those videos, you made several comments about zip ties, and they were great. Of course, zip ties are not environmentally friendly. They can't be reused over and over again. And we took those comments to heart and came up with a better solution. And so we have these rubber ties that are super stretchy. They wrap right around the plant and right onto your trellis. They allow the rose to grow and move in wind or just as it ages, and you can use them over and over again year over year. So we think they're a great solution, and we're happy to have them in packets of 20 on our website. There'll be a link in the description below. And we like to hear your comments. We take them to heart, and we develop products and solutions that all are about your comments. So let us know what you think, and thank you very much.